wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids, from A to Z, from East to West. I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, I got an emergency. My dog Shiva's not doing well, and I think I need to go to a veterinarian. Do you know what a veterinarian does? It's an animal doctor, and I'm hoping they can help because I really love Shiva, and I want her to feel better again. So, kids, while I go to the veterinarian, you take a lesson for today about what a vet does.
Kids, we have an emergency on the farm.
Oh no, an emergency!
An emergency! Barbie farm, she said that her calf has not been doing good and we need a doctor.
Oh, I'm a doctor.
We need an animal doctor.
Yeah, I'm a veterinarian.
You're a veterinarian?
Yeah, a veterinarian.
What's a veterinarian?
It's a doctor for animals.
A doctor for animals.
Yeah.
Well, it's good that you've come because our little calf here, it's been laying down and hasn't gotten up and it seems to be sick and we don't know what's going on. Can you help us?
Yeah, let me look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, he looks like he could be sick.
Well, what do we do?
Well, let me first check his heartbeat with my stethoscope. Hold on.
Yeah, check the heartbeat. Barbie farmer, it's going to be all okay. We'll make this through.
Okay.
I'm sure Barbie doctor will have all the answers and can help. And it's probably just something that we need to get or to give or whatever.
Yep. Okay, so let me listen to the heart.
Okay, listen to the heart. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Yeah, his heartbeat is fine.
Oh,
That's
okay,
good.
that's good.
Okay, and now
So what next? What do we check next?
Next I'm gonna look in his throat.
Oh, okay.
So, can you make a moo sound, please, like as if the cow opens his mouth really wide, please?
Moo.
Okay, yeah, no, his throat's fine. His throat's fine. Okay, and so then, now I have to look in his ears.
Oh, look into
That
ears.
ear, okay, that ear looks okay.
Okay, what about the other ear? We all have two
Let me
ears.
see. Oh, that ear. That's the problem.
Oh, what?
Yeah, he has an ear infection.
An ear infection?
Yeah, and the ear.
What's an ear infection?
He has inside his ear. There's bacteria.
Bacteria.
And bacteria can make the inside of your ear hurt really bad.
Oh no. So what do we do next?
So now what Dr. Barbie is going to prescribe some ear drops.
Oh, some ear drops. Okay. So what do we have to do now?
So I'm going to give you a thing of ear drops, and you have to put 2 drops into the calf's ear every day and for 1 week. And then the calf will be all better. So I will do it the first time so you see how.
Okay.
So
okay. I think we can do that. Right, Barbie farmer? Yeah, of course we can do that. That is no problem. We put eardrops into the calf's ear for 1 whole week. Was it 2 a day or 3 a day?
2 a day.
Okay, 2 a day.
Okay, 2 a day.
2 a day.
Okay.
We can do that. I'll remember that. 2 a day.
Great. So now I will show you how. So you go to the cow. It's a baby calf, it's a cow, or it's a baby cow. Okay, and you pet the cow so the cow knows that you are nice, right?
Yeah, we're really nice.
Yeah, and then you take the medicine in your hand.
Okay.
And you go drop.
And
Just
that's
like
it?
that. Yep. Just like that.
Shoot,
And let's wait a few minutes. It takes a second. Let's see. Let's take 1 second. Wait. How are you, little calf? How are you? Oh yeah, look. He's moving a little bit. I think he's feeling better.
Oh, is it good if we put nice clean hay there and give him something good to eat and make sure he gets enough water and, maybe even caress him and make sure that he feels better? Will that help too?
Yeah, and we could keep it nice and warm. Maybe give him more hay, like you said, and a blanket so the barn is warm, because when it's cold outside, your ears can get an infection.
Okay, and is it okay to keep the calf outside, or should we leave her inside?
I think let's keep her in the barn.
Okay, and then is it okay to keep it with the other calves, or should we separate them?
Nope, it's okay. The ear infection won't be contagious unless the cow rubs its ear right up on another cow, and that's not a thing they do.
Olivia?
Yeah, Noah?
Should we see if the veterinarian can look at Fluffy very quickly to see if Fluffy's all okay?
Oh yeah, should I go get Fluffy?
Yeah, you go.
Okay. You talk to the veterinarian, ask her questions.
So veterinarian, if Fluffy is all okay, how will you know?
I will look in his throat, and I will check his sides and see that his sides are okay, and I will look in his eyes.
And then veterinarian, what do we have to do if Fluffy is... Oh, hey, Fluffy! Fluffy is here!
Yeah, here's Fluffy!
Oh, that's amazing.
Hey, hi! Yeah, good job, Fluffy. Look, he's licking me. He's licking me a lot.
Oh, veterinarian Barbie, if a dog kisses Olivia just like she does that mean the dog's sick?
No, it does not mean the dog's sick. Nope.
Oh, that just means that that Fluffy loves Olivia.
Yeah.
Or it means that Fluffy's hungry.
Yeah,
Is Fluffy hungry? Fluffy, are you hungry?
Fluffy, are you hungry?
Oh, yeah.
Fluffy's always hungry. Yeah,
Fluffy's always hungry.
Yeah.
Jinx, we said that at the same time.
Yep, we did.
Yeah.
And then veterinarian, can you look in Fluffy's mouth and see that Fluffy's mouth is okay?
Do a quick big Yeah, okay. That looks very good.
Yeah. Oh, Fluffy really likes the veterinarian.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, and then look in his ears?
Oh, that looks good. What about the other one? That looks good too. Oh, and then I should check your paws. Oh yeah, that looks good in the other paw. Yeah, that looks good. And then I'll check your heart too, the heart, right? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that looks good too. So, Fluffy, you are all healthy.
Oh, yay! Fluffy healthy.
Yay! That's good. So, now that we know to bring... Oh, don't kiss me. Oh, no. Oh, okay, Fluffy, thank you. Okay, thank you. You're very welcome. I'm happy you are good. And, well, kids, I think now we know that once a year, we also have to bring Fluffy to the veterinarian to make sure that our dog is good and healthy.
Yeah, we want to keep Fluffy healthy for a long time, huh, Fluffy?
Yep, for sure.
Oh, no, I think he's going to get you.
No. Well, kids, before Fluffy takes over, we better go. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, no, Fluffy.
Bye.
Oh, no.
Puppy attack.
Kids, I've got good news. I just came back from the vet and Shiva is doing all better again. I have to give her some medicine since she's old and her heart is a bit weak. But other than that, all is good. Oh, look, she wants to say hi too. Well, kids, I'm gonna see that I give her some more treats and a lot of love. She'll probably lick me though. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you learned what a vet does, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the duck quacked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, a fiddle-dee-dee. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear slept by the clock. The clock struck 4, he ran out the door. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The frog hopped round the clock. The clock struck 5, she went on a dive. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, so fiddlesticks. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The cat ran round the clock. The clock struck 7, she wanted to get him. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The horse jumped over the clock. The clock struck 8, he ate some cake. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The cow danced on the clock. The clock struck 9, she felt so fine. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The pig joined at the clock. The clock struck 10, she did it again. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The hare looked at the clock. The clock struck 11, the hare said, oh heavens. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck noon, he's here too soon. Hickory, dickory, dock.
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!